I think that is. What is that?
Do you know what that is?
Hmm?
Do you know what that stuff is?
I think it's more calcite that's forming.
Is that good or bad?
It's good.
Oh.
It's very good. If you look up here closely, you can see little, like stalactites starting to form all throughout it.
Are we supposed to fit through that hole?
Which one? Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
That's where we're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's fine.
There we go. Wait a second. I gotta take the backpack off. Get through it.
Are we going deeper or are we coming?
We're pretty much going parallel level.
We don't have to come back.
Do I go head first?
I prefer head first. Some people go feet first and then turn around. Keep dropping stuff. Okay, hold up for a second. I want to get pictures of you guys coming through.
Alright.
You have to make it look difficult, but having fun.
No, I think mine check jokes are fine. They fit pretty well with our current predicament. Yeah, God. What the hell is my cost of food?
All right. Very good. Very, very good. You can come back here behind me. There's plenty of places that are comfortable to sit. Very good. We could take a break here while they try to figure out how to get here.
That hurts. That's cool.
What was that one?
Lean on.
Actually.
I just want to
Oh, what's that thing? I'm gonna explore.
Hi. Which way did you go through? Head first or feet first?
Head first.
Head first, head both of you. Would you find it pretty easy to do it that way?
Yeah.
I feel like
My lights keep popping off the helmet.
Okay,
it would have been worse if I went feet first.
Yeah.
I think so too. There's like four passages off of here.
There we go.
Very good. You got it. I'm going to back up a little bit because I can't.
run yard for the mines.
I know where I am. I think that's in you can like.
Can we spare that many canaries? Couldn't we just get another kid?
That's not for me. Is there a mine?
There was a mine, but we walked through it and moved into the wilderness. That is the
untamed mine. Although we did find what appears to be somebody working on their mine back there.
Yes, yes.
That bucket.
He's trying to make a connection to another passage.
Because I'm like, man, there's a lot of undirted, unsoiled rock in here. What is
Yeah.
going on?
Yeah,
Where'd those other kids go?
to make it a loop.
Oh, okay. Sounds like they all took a left over here, right?
Yes. You guys can do what you wish.
This way. I went to the right.
To the right.
There's
Oh.
there's like I said, there's a couple of passages off of here if you want to explore some of them. You're welcome.
I'm just trying to make sure we don't lose any kids for very long.
Okay.
I am.
Which is why I'm like, all right, let me get a rough idea of who's with who. So, Dooley, who's up here with you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm stuck, but I think I can figure it out.
You can figure it out. It's
Okay.
you got plenty of room.
Just gotta squirm on into here.
That's
That
right.
is exactly what to do.
Be a worm.
Yep. Take as much time as you
Are
want to
there
figure it out.
worms in here?
I
No.
haven't seen any worms, only crickets.
Dirt?
Well, sounds like you're stuck there then. I think I found another recliner. Man, this is just a lounge in here now. Like everywhere you go, like, oh look, a flat rock, just the right angle.
Hold on, let me try this.
I bet there's a drink
Yeah, that's
fridge
a good
over
one,
here
too.
somewhere, and a TV up there. We're all set.
Yeah! This is a perfect place for a camping.
There you
It
go.
actually would be kind of cool to be able to camp in here, I think.
Minus
Yeah.
all the
But
rocks.
I can't, as careful as you are camping, it's going to be impossible to not leave a trace
Yes.
of some kind.
Yeah.
So we can't.
It'd be very difficult to do.
But one place we have camped was at that isn't quite the same, but is close. Is at Fort Mifflin in the powder rooms.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
They're you know the Revolutionary War underground brick-lined caverns
I don't know where I'm
that are
going.
200 some years old, but they're man-made. So you can stay at Fort Mifflin down by the Philadelphia airport.
Very cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, we did that several years ago. I think most of these kids were cubs at that time. Honestly, guys, I don't know if there's anywhere to go from here. Julie just said you can't go further there. You can go down that way, though.
Yeah, go down.
How do I go back to not feeling bored?
You could go
Say?
a little further, but you'll just end back up here.
Yeah.
But if you go that way, where do you, like, where do you go from there?
You go wherever the other kids are. I have no idea where they went.
You just go.
You just
Follow the
Wherever it
voices.
looks like it might be a path.
Make a noise if you can hear us.
I can hear you.
Just cleanse your mind and let the Almighty lead you.
You know what? That's not a bad
There
idea.
you go.
Come on, those empty.
Goes there.
Make a noise if you can hear us.
Where'd Robert go?
He went that way.
Robert's down there.
I'm still in my lounge chair. Don't bother me. I'm waiting for the game to come on.
Is there a way up there?
You can go up, but I
You
don't
find
think
the
it goes
lounge
that
chair?
far. Like, Dooley went up that
Yes.
far. but he
Lucky.
didn't find anything. Are you usually looking
Found
at
the
me?
recliner.
That would be nice.
I gotta find your sweatshirt because I might leave mine behind. I'm starting to be a
Oh,
little.
did anybody mention the bucket of water way back there?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
the
Why is there a bucket of water?
freshly done
Because
tunnel.
nature is making a new path.
Are you the last?
I'm the end of it. Yep.
All right. Yeah, there's two paths that he's connected by voice,
Oh, okay.
and he's trying to connect them
Physically.
physically so that you can do a loop instead of out and back.
Oh, cool.
So wait, so is he naturally trying to have the water create a new path?
Nah, he's digging and blasting.
Oh.
But he's not removing anything. It's all staying in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Nothing's
Yeah.
leaving the cave.
Right.
That is a handy.
It's just relocation.
Yes.
Changing
Wait, so
where
does
it
he just
is.
run a fuse all the way out?
Nah,
That'd be a very, very
Is he
big
deaf?
pain in the ass.
he's just really good at doing it. He makes these tiny little blasting straws,
Oh, they're really small.
and he just sticks them in the rock, poof, and just cracks them.
There's Bully up
All
there.
right, am I going this way?
Well, it depends on where you guys want to
That's a
go.
nice chair.
I told you.
There's a lot of places we can go from here. We can go that way. We can go that way. There's a way up. We can go that way and go up.
Well, then move.
Follow.
It's up to you guys, whatever you want to do. Do you want to,
Where is it?
He's up there. I think anyway.
You can go this way and go to the catacombs. We can go
Catacombs.
Catacombs it is. Wait.
this way and
I want to go to the catacombs. Which way is the catacombs?
okay, the catacombs. You go out here, make the first right, and then it's like a left, and you'll see a hole about this big around. And the map says it's a 10-foot drop, but it's really more like 6 foot because it's eroded away quite a bit.
You guys get a map?
I don't need no thing on map.
Get out!
I think you went too far. He's on the way out.
Is it up there? I don't know.
Yeah.
I might just stay here. I'm kind of tired.
Okay.
I'm telling you, this little corner up here is. Actually, no, that one I laid down in earlier. I'm trying everything for comfort to find the right recliner.
The end of the hallway?
Yeah, no. Well, yeah, the end of the hallway was kind of cool too. All right, let me turn this back on.
Yeah, squeeze
Yeah,
away.
I just didn't want to blind people with up here at my
This
leg.
way. Right? Yeah, they all went that way.
Good.
I don't know, I'm following Robert.
I don't think he heard me when I said to make a right.
I don't think he heard you.
No.
He might not remember which way is right.
Okay.
So yeah, I think they all want to go to the right here in front of you.
Yeah.
Right.
They all, I think, yeah, no, they all went the wrong way. But that's,
you went the wrong way.
Well, they'll just wind up in a different passage.
Listen, this is every scout trip ever. All right, guys, we're going to the left. Oh, we're over here on the right. What? Oh, you meant that?
wait, when you said left, you actually meant left?
That's what you meant? I didn't realize that. I mean, it is a great, preparation for life.
Yes. Pay attention.
Oh, the instructions say do that? Yeah, do what the instructions said. Well, the instructions are wrong. Why did you do that? Follow the instructions. Or the procedure says do this. Yeah, that's not how we do it. Oh, you do it that way? Oh. You were serious about that?
Where's the catacombs up there?
They're up here.
Under Rome.
Robert, I'm going to send you
I think Paris has some too.
Oh, they probably do.
I think Paris is. I think that's the ones where all the walls are skeletons.
Yes.
Oh.
So you
I
go
thought that was-
right there. So
I
go
thought-
forward and then immediate right.
And then go down the hole.
Mr. Cave Leader guy,
That's me.
if I make a pot, can I keep it?
No.
Take a right, Dylan. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
No,
yeah,
you
yeah.
can't.
No,
That's
you're
left.
going left.
Wait, is this the
There,
wrong
yep.
way?
Yeah.
Let's see.
And then left.
He's just spawn a patrol leader.
Well, that's the thing. Is a Rob and
Sorry.
Nathan
Yeah,
like-
you fit right through. Sorry. We're adults taking a break. So,
I wasn't planning on it.
go.
right, and then you're immediate right in front of you. Then.
Yes.
Where are the dead bodies?
Follow Liv. Liv, you're going the wrong way.
Immediate right. Yep.
Right.
Go right.
Yes. Only Rob and Nathan are there. They went the wrong way.
They were using Waze. Everybody used Google Maps.
There's nothing that way. The catacombs are that way. Yes.
I love it. I love it.
All right. You guys ready?
Hey, Julie, this is a really comfy spot right here.
I just let him go.
That's the name of the game.
Just let him go. Let him find a way.
Hell, don't stand when you can sit. Don't sit when you can lay down, and
Have a ball.
don't stay awake if you can nap.
Facts of life.
That's right.
Are we going the right way?
Right here.
Did we make the right turn again?
This is the right and the left.
Ow.
Oh, shoulder.
Ow. Yeah, I don't really want to go in a tunnel either. I don't know. Hello.
Where are you going? What's you down there?
Here we go.
Is that? I don't know.
That's the way we're going. Make a left, right, go through there.
Make
Make a left,
Okay.
and then you'll see a hole in the floor.
Do you have to come back out that hole?
Now,
No.
Go that way. No, go that way. We're both looking in the same direction.
Go down the hole.
Is that the only way down? Or the only way back?
No, you're supposed to go that way. And then
Wait, no, we're going down this hole right here, right?
Yeah.
Why not? The weather's great.
So how are you supposed to get back up?
You're not.
that's the neat part. Wait,
Well,
after you get down to the hole, you go straight?
yeah. You should have somebody down there to spot you going down.
Go down there.
So whoever's a really good climber needs to go down first.
Wrong way. Come back this way. I don't even. Do we have to climb back up to this hole, or do we? Is it like?
No, I'm not doing this.
There is an alternate way.
Yeah, how do I get out? Which way do I go?
Matthew, stay right there.
Matthew, watch out. Here, slide her around over here.
Is somebody down there?
Yeah.
There's a couple people down there.
I'll pull her up.
Okay, hold on. Before you pull them up,
Watch out.
let's see where they are, so they don't get.
Olivia, stop going further down.
Okay, where are you?
We're down here.
They're that.
Okay, is there somebody down there?
There's a few people.
Olivia.
They took off. They went that way.
I'm honestly cool with going down here. Does anyone else not want to go? What?
You good down there?
Anybody else want to go down?
Sir.
Not me.
So what's the way to come back up? Just a question.
It's a crawl.
Joel.
It's a crawl that way, or else we climb up that passage there.
Some form of adult leadership.
Yo.
What way does this lead?
To us. Sounds like.
Come towards us.
Alright, because Dooley said he found a bunch of like open passageways.
Yes.
Dooley, where are you?
Who said hi?
Dooley's behind us.
Wait, you came all the way around? How?
Because he's Dooley.
Just take your time.
Don't ask questions.
Hi, Alan.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Henceforth, the catacombs.
Olivia.
There's holes all throughout the